Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to be reviewing the WAG app. Really excited about this. For my puppy Doug, if you haven't subscribed to his YouTube channel, go ahead, check it out. It'll be in the end screen as well as some cards so you can subscribe to his channel. The WAG app basically is an app, it's Uber for pets. So you can book dog walkings or overnight if you need somebody to kennel or board your dog for you, which is cool. And training is coming soon. So if you sign up, use the link in my video description below and your first walk will be free. I just booked my first walk today for tomorrow. So I'll do a follow-up video. I'll tag it on with this. We'll just edit it right in sequence, and we'll see how our walker is and what the whole experience was like. So I'm really excited. It was really simple to create a profile. Just use your Facebook or your Gmail or an email account. Download the app from the store, and then you just walk right through booking the first walk, and it shows you the calendar. You can pick which day, time, and then within 20 minutes you'll get notified. So we'll go ahead and just see pricing, a free lockbox if you want, schedule past walks, payments, or you can become a walker. So here's the pricing. Walks start at $14 and sitting and boarding starts at $39. So that's pretty cool. You can book that. Or you can, again, you can invite friends, customer support, payment, past walks. None right now because I just downloaded it. Let's see schedule. So today is what is today? Today's the 20th. So on the 21st, this green one, I have a walk scheduled with Mary at 2 p.m. And you can cancel within 24 hours, which is cool. And so let's go ahead and see if we can load Mary's profile. So here's Mary. She's got 36 reviews, 5-star, which is awesome. So she's WAG certified, background checked, insured, and bonded. Here's what people have been saying about her. So I'm really excited to have her come out tomorrow, meet her, hear about her experience. Well, maybe we can interview her if she wants, and maybe tag along for a little bit of the walk as well for Doug since we'll be home. Really excited, but yeah, it's nice to show the picture. You can contact them, read everybody else's reviews. So that's really cool. Here's a little bio, which is cool. So really awesome, really easy to use. Excited to see what tomorrow holds and our first walk and experience with the app.
So Doug is on his walk, and as you can see, the map's really cool. It shows that he's 0.23 miles away. He's been walking for 9 minutes, and so they're just a couple of blocks down the street. It's really neat. So Mary just left, had a great walk with her. Now we can go ahead. We rated her, and you have an option to tip, which is awesome. And so we can go now to past walks. Here's Mary. She just walked Doug today. Shows you the WAG credits that we had for our first free walk, 20-minute walk, $14. It showed the distance, the time, if Doug peed, pooped. It's cool that she even puts a picture in there, which is really cute. And then it also shows you the path that Doug took. So that's really awesome, really cool app, super easy to use, super friendly people. She was really nice. It was actually raining here too, and she walked the dog in the rain, which is awesome. And I asked, like, will weather be dependent or anything? And she said that it's not. So she just showed up anyways with an umbrella and took care of Doug for us, and it was really awesome. So really happy with this.